So, the next lecture. Well, now we'll start with the GLM for the Vulkan API. What is GLM? Well, GLM is a library that is like the OpenGL Mathematics, GLM, GL Graphics Library and Mathematics. So, GLM is basically a mathematics library for a graphics API that can be either OpenGL, that can be a Vulkan API, or that can be Mental API, or any other API. So GLM is actually a mathematics library for a graphics API. So let's download that. Go to browser. Here you'll find the this. You can find this link. You can just paste it over there, or I can provide this in the link in the description, or you can just copy it from here, and or you can type the GLM in the search bar, and you can just get this link to this GitHub repository, and you can come over here in the releases there, you can find the GLM 1.1 latest version, and click on this, and there you are. In the assets, there you can find the source code in the zip file, so you can just download that, or yeah, sure, you can download this. You download this. I've already downloaded that. So once you're done, so you can come to the folder and you'll get something like this. Once you uh, extract the file, the raw file, you'll get something like this. And inside that, you'll have GLM and all this shit. You can just copy this and go to the project directory, get dependencies, and new folder, name is GLM, and new folder, include, and Control V. Just wait for it. Once it is done, well, it is done. Now, one thing I need to mention is that I haven't created a live zip file over here. Well, because GLM doesn't have any libraries, because it is because GLM is a header only library where you can just load the header and you are done. Just doesn't need to link the libraries and stuff like that. So that's all about this folder stuff. You can come to the project and right click and properties, and here you can go to the C++ general additional code directories, edit new line, and browse. Go back, dependencies, GLM, include, or I'd say GLM include, and select folder, and just well, I think we made a mistake. Well, I'll just solve it over here. You can come over here and the VK dependencies. You can type over here dollar solution directories, and over here just I'd say mention this thing like GLM, and inside the GLM we're going to include this, and out. Well, wait, we can make it this way, like this, and we can make it this way, include, and GLM, like this. But we'll remove GLM over here, like this, and fine. OK, and apply, and OK. Then come to the file system, GLM, include, and here we should create a folder, the GLM, and click on all except the GLM, copy that into that, and we are done with it. Go over here and type, you'll just check it out, like if it is working or not. So hash include and GLM and GLM, but I repeat, and congratulations, it is working. So we are done.